So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stitch on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is to open up TikTok. So let's do that right here. And straight away I'm gonna see some videos from my homepage, and on here to stitch a video you just need to go to the share button, which will be at the bottom of that video. So just click on that. From here you can see you can send it to yourself, you can send to someone. You can use some other apps and other social media to send that content. And underneath you can see this row. If it's not appearing, the stitch option isn't appearing straight away, don't worry. You can just scroll a bit, as you can see I'm doing right now. And right next to duet, you can click on the stitch option. And once you click the stitch option underneath, you will straight away see the part of the video you want to cut and then re-edit the video to your liking. So you can create a new video, you can maybe put in parts of the video with something you created. So that would be a way of stitching the video. From there you can also allow other people to stitch your videos, but for that you will need to create a public account, so make sure that you do that as well. As for stitching, as I said, just click on that. So you can add it to your story. Once you record and create your stitch, you will see the option continue in the video, or you will see it the button next in the top right corner to start stitching yourself. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.